let's just see the third question. Question number 3 says, find the value of r for which the points are collinear. So the question actually says that we have to find the value of r for which the points are collinear. So here we have a concept of being collinear. The points are said to be collinear if we can say the area of triangle is equal to 0. Because if the area of triangle is equal to 0, it means the 3 vertices are lying on a same straight line. So always remember, let us suppose if I am writing a note over here that the 3 points are said to be collinear. The 3 points are said to be collinear if the area of their triangle, the 3 points are said to be collinear if the area of triangle formed by the coordinates of the points is equal to 0, or we can say or if A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3 are collinear, then the area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, which implies half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So always remember, whenever we are talking about the 3 points to be collinear, then the area of their triangle or the triangle which is formed by ABC coordinates, their area should be always is equal to 0. It means this particular formula is equal to 0. So we are using this particular node to find out the value of r over here. So first of all, let us suppose if I am taking 7 comma minus 2 as nothing but x1 y1. Let us suppose if I am taking this as x2 y2 and I am taking this as nothing but x3 y3. So let's just find out the value of r. So we can say, as according to the question, 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, 3 comma minus r are collinear, then half of x1, which is 7. So further we have y2 minus y3. So the value of y2 is actually nothing but 1 and y3 is nothing but minus of r. As you can see, we have y2 as 1 and y3 as minus of r. Now let's just move on further. Plus of x2. We have x2 as nothing but 5. Further we have y3 minus y1 means minus of r, minus of 2. Further we have plus of x3. x3 is 3 and we have y1 minus of y2, which is minus of 2 minus of 1, y1 minus of y2, which is nothing but is equal to 0. So if I'll take half towards the other side, so this would be is equal to 0. So it means we are getting the value as 7. This is 1 plus of r plus of 5 minus r plus of 2 plus of 3 minus of 3 is equal to 0. Now let's just sort it out. This is 7 plus 7r. This would be minus 5r plus of 10 minus of 9 is equal to 0. 7r minus of 5r is nothing but 2r. We have plus 7 plus 1. This is plus of 8, which is equal to 0. So 2r is nothing but is equal to minus of 8, and we are getting the value of r at the end as nothing but minus of 4. So this is nothing but the value that we are getting at the end, that r is nothing but is equal to minus of 4. We just wanted to find out the value of the r. So for the value of the r that we are getting at the end is nothing but minus of 4. So if we'll plug in all the values over here of r, that is being minus 4, so this would be minus plus, so it would be plus 4. Then definitely the points is 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, and 3 comma minus is 4, means it is plus 4. They are collinear. So 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, and 3 comma 4 would be are collinear. If they would be collinear, then the area of the triangle which is formed by these three should be is equal to 0. So this is nothing but our answer, that the value of r at the end is nothing but coming out to be is equal to minus of 4, as you can see over here. So this is nothing but the answer for the third question.